You wake to the rustle of dry leaves, a sound that vibrates through your ancient bones. No alarm clock jolts you awake, no schedule dictates your rise. Your body simply decides it is time. The air is thick with the scent of damp earth and something else. Something heavy. Something primal. You instinctively know this scent. Your ancestors knew it. For hundreds of thousands of years, your very survival depended on recognizing such subtle shifts in the world around you. Every shadow held a potential threat, every sound a silent warning. Does this primal awareness still reside deep within your modern brain? Imagine a creature born of ancient fears. A leviathan of a lizard. This isn't a myth from forgotten scrolls. This is a living relic, a predator that stalks the humid islands of Indonesia, a creature your ancestors might have encountered in their wildest nightmares. You are about to face the Komodo dragon. For roughly 99% of human history, the distinction between hunter and hunted was constantly blurred. Your early ancestors were not always at the top of the food chain. They shared their world with formidable, ancient beings, creatures that shaped our very instincts. The Komodo dragon is one such creature. This isn't just a large lizard, it is the largest living lizard on Earth. Some individuals stretch an astonishing 10 feet long. Picture a creature the length of a small car. It weighs over 300 pounds. This immense reptile roams only a handful of isolated islands. These include Komodo, Rinca, Flores, and Gili Matan. These islands are its kingdom, its ancient domain. How did such a colossal reptile come to dominate these specific territories? For a long time, scientists believed the Komodo dragon's bite was deadly due to bacteria. They thought a festering infection slowly brought down its prey. This was a terrifying thought. But modern research has revealed a much more direct and terrifying truth. The Komodo dragon possesses venomous glands. These glands are located in its lower jaw. When it bites, it delivers a toxic cocktail. This isn't just a painful nip. The venom causes rapid blood loss. It can induce paralysis. It sends prey into a state of shock. This groundbreaking discovery reshaped our understanding of this ancient predator. Dr. Tim O'Dwyer, an Australian venom expert, was part of the research team that definitively proved the presence of this potent venom. Their findings, published in 2009, overturned decades of speculation. So, how does such a creature hunt? It is an apex predator. It sits at the very top of its island ecosystem. The Komodo dragon is capable of taking down truly enormous prey. Deer fall victim to its power. Wild boar stand no chance. Even massive water buffalo, many times the dragon's size, can be brought down. Your imagination might conjure images of a slow, lumbering beast. But this predator is surprisingly swift and cunning. It employs a deadly combination of stealth and speed. It is an ambush hunter. It waits. It watches. It merges with the jungle shadows. Then, with an explosive burst, it strikes. Its powerful jaws clamp down. The venom is injected. The dragon then often waits. It lets its venom and the ensuing shock do their work. It follows its prey patiently. This patience is a testament to its ancient lineage. It is a strategy refined over millions of years. What does it sense during this tracking period? The Komodo dragon possesses an exceptional sense of smell. Its flicking, forked tongue constantly samples the air. It detects chemical cues. It can detect carrion, or rotting meat, from several miles away. Imagine smelling a meal from distances you would typically drive in a car. This keen sense allows it to find not only its own kills but also opportunities for scavenging. While it is an active hunter, it is also an opportunistic scavenger. It will eat almost anything it finds. It consumes carcasses. It will even resort to cannibalism. Younger, smaller Komodo dragons are sometimes prey for their larger kin. This is a brutal reality of survival in a harsh, isolated environment. This ancient reptile also boasts an impressive lifespan. Komodo dragons can live for up to 30 years in the wild. 30 years of hunting, surviving, and dominating their island homes. Think about the sheer scale of experience a 30-year-old dragon accumulates. Generations of prey come and go under its watch. This longevity speaks to its resilience and its perfect adaptation to its niche. Let's reconstruct a scene, a moment from this ancient world. You are a young adult, perhaps one of your earliest ancestors, venturing onto these Indonesian islands tens of thousands of years ago. The air is humid, dense with the scent of unfamiliar foliage. You are tracking a wild pig, your stomach aching with hunger. The forest floor is a tapestry of tangled roots and fallen leaves. Every muscle in your body is tense, finely tuned to the environment. Suddenly, you hear a subtle shift in the air. Not a sound, but an absence of sound. The small birds have gone silent. A flash of movement catches your eye, a massive, scaly form. It is blending perfectly with the dappled light and shadow. The Komodo dragon. Its head is low, its forked tongue flickering, tasting your scent. Your heart pounds a primal drumbeat in your chest. Every instinct screams, run. But your ancestors had to learn more than just running. They had to understand. They observed. They adapted. The dragon is a living lesson in ancient power. But here is a counterintuitive twist. Despite its raw power and fearsome reputation, the Komodo dragon is highly vulnerable. For all its ancient prowess, it faces modern threats. The International Union for Conservation of Nature, or IUCN, lists Komodo dragons as an endangered species. This designation means their very existence is at risk. Their populations are declining. What is threatening these ancient rulers? Habitat loss is a major factor. Human encroachment shrinks their available territory. Poaching also poses a significant danger. Their unique scales, their strength, even their perceived medicinal properties, make them targets. This is a cruel irony for a creature that has survived for millions of years. Your ancestors would have understood the fragility of life. They would have respected the power of nature. They lived within its boundaries. In 1980, the Indonesian government took a crucial step to protect these magnificent reptiles. They established Komodo National Park. This park encompasses the main islands where the dragons live. It provides a protected sanctuary. It aims to safeguard not only the Komodo dragons but also their entire unique ecosystem. Without this park, the future of these creatures would be even more uncertain. Researchers like Dr. Claudio Ciofi from the University of Florence have dedicated their lives to understanding Komodo dragon genetics and ecology. Their work is vital for effective conservation strategies. They study population dynamics. They analyze genetic diversity. They provide the scientific bedrock for saving this species. Walter Auffenberg, a pioneering American herpetologist, conducted extensive fieldwork on Komodo dragons in the 1960s and 70s. His detailed observations laid much of the groundwork for our early understanding of their behavior and ecology. His legacy continues to inform conservation efforts today. So, what does the Komodo dragon, a creature from a world long past, tell you about your own life today? It is a stark reminder of the delicate balance of nature. Your modern world, with its concrete and screens, often disconnects you from the wild. Yet, deep within your being, the echo of ancient encounters persists. The fear, the awe, the respect for powerful animals are still there. These creatures serve as living bridges to a time when humans were just another species navigating a wild, dangerous planet. They embody the raw, unadulterated power of evolution. They highlight the responsibility you now carry. You, the modern human, with your capacity for impact on the world, hold the fate of such ancient beings in your hands. The choices made today, from conservation efforts to personal awareness, will determine if future generations can also witness these incredible survivors. You still wake to the rustle of leaves, but now, perhaps, with a deeper understanding of the ancient world that still breathes around you.